how to sign in Gmail. So if you want to sign into your Gmail account, then first of all you can open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and then you can simply search for Gmail, and here you will have mail.google.com. You can click on that, and here you have to choose an account. So if you want to log into your Gmail account, then you can simply choose the account which you have saved, or you can also choose another account. So I'll be choosing this one. Simply click on that account, and then you have to enter your password. So if you forgot your password, then you can go for forgot password, and then you can reset your password or recover your password. But I remember my password, so I'll be entering my password, and now click on next. And that's it. That's how you sign in, or that's how you log into your Gmail account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.